Current hex cost certainly is $0.32. Hex falls 29% in 7 days in a fundamentally significant manner. Hex cost examination essentially is negative today in a huge manner. First help level for hex in a real sense is at $30 in an extremely huge manner. 05 April 2024. In this video, we will walk you through hex cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, clarified some pressing issues fake cert. What fundamentally is in every way that really matters. Momentary cost expectation for hex. Fundamentally is hex a fundamentally wise venture, or so they basically thought. Hex help and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the hex specialized examination, certainly let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations. Most certainly further appearance how current hex cost especially is $0.32. Hex falls 29% in 7 days, which by and large is very huge. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 184%. Bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $2, 492, 603, 616, 514, showing how first help level for hex truly is at $30, which sort of is very huge. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $105, 179, 779, 26 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 to $895.12 level after a decay of 59%. Or so they generally thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 3.18% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours in every practical sense, huge way. While distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time period. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span, which sort of is very critical. So the local coin of Solana fundamentally is somewhere near $8.57, and as of now exchanging at $172.88, or so they sort of thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So solely in every way that really matters, local coin of Solana most certainly is somewhere near $8.57, and presently exchanging at $172.88 incredibly. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an extremely descending heading for especially present moment, which generally shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So Sol, the really local coin of Solana generally, is somewhere around $8.57 and as of now exchanging at $172.88, or so they for the most part thought. Right now, a truly broad, extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Further appearance how 05 April 2024. In this video, we will sort of walk you through hex cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these much of the time really sought clarification on some things faxy. What generally is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for hex, in every way that really matters, is hex an excellent speculation, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support sort of is a level at which purchases by and large become sort of more truly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60, subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana generally, is somewhere near $8.57 and right now exchanging at $172.88 in a huge manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants fundamentally become moved genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how hex help and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized. Markers used to truly recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of hex execution, The genuinely everyday graph of HEX basically shows that the HEX cost truly has a descending development with a 119% diminishing and essentially beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. The value worth of the HEX coin fundamentally is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization for 584,394,461 USD, or so they basically thought. HEX cost changes 29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is drifting around $3,738,949 USD in a kind of significant manner. HEX value examination, HEX cost examination for 05 April 2024 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period by and large made sense of underneath. So current HEX cost in every way that really matters is $0.32. HEX falls 29% in 7 days, which basically is very critical. We utilize certainly relative strength indices, moving sort of normal intermingling, and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving truly normal SMA and outstanding moving certainly normal MA to sort of examine the future development of the HEX, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, so HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. HEX financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the truly everyday graph, so we utilize fundamentally relative strength indices, moving genuinely normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving commonly normal SMA and remarkable moving certainly normal MA to break down the future development of the HEX in a huge manner for the most part. HEX in a real sense has a scarcely the closest obstruction of $0.36, so we utilize truly relative strength indices, moving in every way that really matters, normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving fundamentally normal SMA and remarkable moving truly normal MA2 in every way that really matters, break down the future development of the HEX, or so they sort of thought. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would essentially help the upturn energy, exceptionally further appearance how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the HEX specialized examination. Generally let us most certainly discuss the really current economic situations. Fundamentally further appearance how current HEX cost most certainly is $0.32 HEX fall 29% in 7 days, or so they in every practical sense thought. The purchasers then focus on the opposition R2 put at $0.39, showing that HEX cost examination most certainly is negative today in a truly significant manner. On the other hand, assuming the financial backers explicitly betray the HEX, the generally bears